Welcome back everybody to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send money, or let's say how to send from PayPal into Binance. The official actual PayPal to Binance transfer process is usually done indirectly via peer-to-peer trade. So I'm going to show you just a quick and few elements of what you can actually do. Alternatively, if you don't want to do like the 2FA concerns about and whatever. So I'm going to hit directly here into logged in directly here into Binance. The very first and most easiest element is to sign in directly here through Binance. There we go. We are now inside Binance. Now there's a few ways of how we can actually get started. Usually the most easiest way is to navigate to the peer-to-peer section that appears here directly here into Binance. You go for the option that says trade and look out for the option that says peer-to-peer. Now the process that is, let's say for example, there's a few limitations directly speaking about this element, and one of these limitations is that in order to start trading, you need to have an actual verified account. And to verify your account, what you need to do, of course, is to make sure that you have entered a government issued ID, talking about your face ID. So this might be taking a few minutes in order to do this process, and this one does not guarantee that you can do this process into your country, because if you choose the element that says here directly here into peer-to-peer, you choose, let's say for example that I wanted to buy, I don't know, maybe some Bitcoins or USD, whatever. Let's say for example that I choose, I don't know, maybe buy, and where it says all the payment methods, I wanted to choose for example PayPal. Now in my case, I do not have PayPal available for making this transaction, so I cannot continue. This might be happening to you as well, so you don't have to worry about that. There's another solution of what we can actually do. For this, we would be using the skipped shift. Skipped shift basically is an element where you can purchase a specific coin using only PayPal, and the process actually is not that hard. So here directly into skip shift, let's say for example that I wanted to pay with United States dollars, and I'm going to do a trial. Let's go for $2, and I wanted to receive the BNB, and the only way that I'm going to be doing this process is with the actual PayPal. Now please adjust your trade size to between 0.01. So to receive here into PayPal, I needed of course to change this for, let's say, $3, just as an actual trial. I'm going to try out with $3 of the dollars and send it for USDT. I'm going to be changing this token later directly here into Binance. Now here it's going to be really important to choose that you want to be paying with PayPal. This is going to be really important. Now unfortunately with the PayPal, this might be asking you to, let's say, having an actual a minimum amount, which in this case is only $2, and the score, let's say maximum this amount. So this trade will not require collateralization, which is more information about your skipped shift element. So I choose the option that says connect my wallet, and you can choose to go from email, for example, then I select an email address. Now what I need to do, of course, in order to continue is that I needed, of course, to select once again the coin that I would like to receive. Let's say this one. I choose PayPal, and here it might be asking you to enter the ID. Now this is the ID that you need to have. Let's say that what I need to do is to add the email of my Binance account. It should be exactly the same thing in order to continue. Then it might be asking you for an actual destination. It says enter the wallet address where you wanted to receive the crypto upon trading completion. So you must submit your order using the same payment method you intend to use here. So what I need to do is to go back here into Binance, and let's go through our wallet. Directly here into our wallet, let's go directly into my overview. And here what I need to do is to choose the option that says deposit. You can see that we have $5 of Binance, of Bitcoin. I'm going to choose the option that says deposit. Here's my USDT, we have 5 of it. And I choose the option that says deposit crypto, because you want to receive crypto directly through our account, right? So I choose this element, and it might be asking to select the actual coin. In this case, we chose USDT, so I choose USDT. The network usually is the BNB smart chain, which is going to be really fast. And here's my deposit asset. So I select my address, I copy my address, and here I paste this specific address. Just like that, I choose the option that says submit the trade, the PayPal ID, and the destination address. So I will be sending $3 and I'm going to be receiving $2.49 for the actual cost of all of this. If you choose the option that says let's go, it says submit the trading. What's going to happen now is they're going to be receiving an actual chat support that tells us to make the actual payment in order for checking this element. So it says awaiting the trade acceptance. Please check the chat for any unread message for the provider. So in this case, what I need to do is to check out the actual element that says paid. So I needed to pay the cost for this. So inside my PayPal, I'm going to make my payment. Now I go, it says you have sent this amount to Psycore. Will let you know we have sent it. Now it's going to be really important that you have added this information into the description of the payment, otherwise this will be refunded right away. And you have now done this process, it will be appearing the element, and into my account I refresh and I have 837. So now I have money that I have sent it from PayPal and directly here into Binance. So guys, this is a very easy way of how we can actually do this process in a very easy way. The last thing to do, for example, is to trade the element that you would like to convert. For example, let's say convert USDT, and you can send this into Bitcoin, for example. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you guys next time.